Yo guys, what's going on? So today I finally managed to do 1k mile on my Kaly NAC. Since I got it, has been a blast. I mean, I use it like every day, going work, back work, to friends, to basically I don't use my car anymore, especially because I'm living in a really busy area, and even just finding park is it's time consuming, and that's the joy of an electric skateboard. Why did I choose Kaly instead of like l'Aqua? So first of all, I like the composite deck instead of like the wood one. It feels more sturdy, more reliable. I've been on the l'Aqua Facebook group, and everybody has some problem with the board. I mean, there is this difference if you are in the Kaly Facebook group. Everyone is enjoying their board. They are very helpful with everything. On the l'Aqua, like everyone kind of have some problem with their board. So that's the main reason. And since I'm a DIY guy, I went to Kaly for the design. I mean, check this thing out. Check this beauty. This is just beautiful, and it feels so sharp, so aggressive. The handling on the street, it's very good. I like how it kind of like puts you on a curve. It's like very sharp, very fast. It's different than other board. And after all of those miles, I will be opening the gear drive, and I want to see what's going on inside, because after 1k mile there is missing a bit of grease on the V-ring, and you always want to have a bit of grease, other way the V-ring is gonna heat up and cause some trouble. So we're gonna do that today. So we're gonna see what's going on inside and other stuff. So let's talk about the motor. Kind of heat up a bit, but it's okay because the gear drive, since it's aluminum, it's acting as a heatsink. Another thing is the bearings. I have soft in the front, medium on the back, but usually when you get the board, the bushing are a bit harder. They tend to like soften up after a bit, so just be patient with the bushing. They're gonna be soft if you got your board and you feel it too stiff. Just wait. Also, I have the carbon fiber enclosure, which is cool. Honestly, it's a bit squeaky, and that I think is normal. And also tend to like scratch very easy, so you might want to cover it with some tape. And what else? I changed the tire to the Evolve 175. I also have the Metro board 155 on the delivery mail, and also the trump. I will be testing the trump threads. I want like a very slim profile, because I want to like carve fast, have like a more responsive board, because with the fatty you kind of like they are a bit hard in my opinion, because of the thickness of the wall. They are very stiff, and I got flat one time, and the wall of the tire was so rigid, so stiff that I don't even need to to change the tube. I mean, the board was working just fine. So yeah, that's it. The weight of the board, that's heavy. It has to be heavy, especially because it's a machine which can go like 40 plus mile, and it has to carry some battery. When you get it, if you're coming from like Evolve or other like Chinese industrial type of board, the first thing you feel is like, oh man, this is serious, and it makes you feel like all of the other board which you went through are like toy, basically toys. That's it. I don't have to say anything else. When you like go on a Kaly or other board, it makes the other board feel like toy. What about the deck? The deck is nice. You have to get used to it because it's not straight. It's flat with the concave on the edge, and it's like a tram, but it's not straight. So you're almost forced into a duck stand, which will tire you up easily. Also, I like the side, since they are very sharp, and you can kind of like put your feet on when you want to go really fast or when you're slowing down really fast. So overall the deck is like a matter of weeks, and you will get used to it, and it becomes comfortable. Also, if you get the 4.0, the battery, since it's very heavy, is gonna like absorb a lot of bump, and it's gonna make a very smooth, comfortable ride. The noise level, if you're moving for a belt, the gear drive, as I mentioned in other videos, this board is quiet. It has like a turbine sound, and people on the street don't recognize this kind of like sound, so they kind of like get scary because they can't address it to anything else which they've heard before, so they are like, what the fuck is that? And it's cool because it's something different. It's like a turbine, but when you can hear it on the street, you don't know if it's like what the fuck it is, you know. So you will see that. So next, let's open the gear drive and see what's inside. I will clean everything, put new grease on, and we should be ready to go. Alright guys, the moment of the truth. Let's see. Yeah. Dude, this looks brand new. It's fucking looking brand new. Oh my god. So we have some holes here to save weight, I guess. Yeah. And oh my god, this look new. I'm close it right away. Careful to not. I'm not gonna change the grease in that, because this one look brand new, completely brand new. Oh my god. Yeah guys, so I went through multiple gear drives. I've tried 3D services, I've tried some community one, I've also tried the Mule. I've been through a lot of gear drives, and this one seems to be, as the community said, one of the best at the moment, because it's simple, it's nothing like too fancy, but it just works. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do anything to this because it's look good. I'm just gonna put a bit of grease inside the V-ring, just because, you know, I take the wheel off, but it looks okay to me. And let me just close this thing 1 second. Yeah, so I will be checking the next year, I guess. So okay, I think this one is like a really reliable machine, and also I like all of the attention to detail. Everything is like premium. It feels premium. So other things, it comes with a 12 amp charger, which is huge. You can get yourself this plug here and make yourself a smaller one for like 4 amps if you want to have like a portable one which you can bring with you, charge the board on the fly if you don't want to carry like a super heavy charger. But this one is very fast. I got the Pack remote, which is not my favorite since I like the boosted type remote like the VX1 or even something like the VX2. It's fine. This one at the first was a bit strange, but I got used to it. My only complaint is my glove, since I have like plastic padding, is slippery. It's a bit slippery, but it's okay. Another thing which I love about the Kaly is this board is gonna retain his value over time, because it's a high demand product and a lot of people don't want to wait like 2 months to get it, and considering also the shipping time, especially if you are in the EU. So yeah guys, I will be testing multiple tires on this board and see which one performs at the best. At the moment, Evolve 175 are my favorite. Probably the Metro, they will be very thin, very good, but I have to be spot on with the clearance on the ground, because like this with the 175 I think the board is a bit too low, but we will see. If you have some questions, just let me know. I will reply as fast as possible, and have a good one guys. Ride safe, stay safe, and cheers.